everybody, this is Dr. Jamie Marich, and today I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite breath techniques, which is lion breathing. It's a very fun breath. I find that in working with clients, children are usually very open and willing to do this breath because it is very fun, very dynamic. A lot of us adults are a little more self-conscious about trying this breath because we may fear that it makes us look weird, and indeed it does, because you take the nice deep inhale and the exhale, you go like this. So the hands are optional. That's if you want to get into a little more of the character of the lion. But what we're going to do technique-wise here is take a nice deep inhale, really using the belly. And then on the exhale, I want you to think about really just bugging your whole face out. So tongue releases as far as it can go. The eyes kind of bug out, possibly roll back. So sometimes when I do this at workshops, I notice some people just, stick their tongues out a little bit of the way. That's all you can do for now, that's fine. But to really get the full benefit of this breath, I want you to think about letting it all hang out. So hopefully you're in a mode or in a place where you don't feel like anybody's around watching you or judging you. As I tell live audiences, I certainly don't judge you because I really give anybody courage who's brave enough to at least give this breath a try. So let's go ahead and give these breaths a couple attempts together. So nice deep inhale. And then when you're ready, let it all bug out. Let's try two more. And one more. So take a moment and just check in with the body, checking in especially with your face after attempting a few of those breaths. And just notice what you notice. It's very likely, if it's not true for you, then no judgment, that your face probably feels like it got a little bit of a stretch, especially your jaws. And that's why I really like to do this breath, your jaw, I should say, because we often don't think of stretching the face, yet we can hold so much in here in this whole area, especially if we struggle with issues like speaking our voice, issues of, am I really being heard or not? And when I work with a lot of people on assertiveness training, speaking more confidently, this is a breath that I advise people do. And of course, if you really want to get into the lion imagery, especially if that has a lot of meaning for you, just think of everything that the lion represents, this fierce warrior presence, if things that are stressing you are coming up in your mind or coming up in your body. Now here's a little tip I learned from a yoga teacher friend of mine. If you are struggling with the whole self-consciousness element of it, sometimes just laying down and doing this breath, so you're looking up at the ceiling as opposed to feeling that anybody around you might be judging you in a yoga class. That's often a nice thing to do, is to try this breath on your back, because for some people that just eliminates some of the self-consciousness concern. So keep giving this breath a try. Again, it may feel a little ridiculous, but the benefits of it, especially if you're working with assertiveness and speaking your voice, really are very tremendous. This is Dr. Jamie Marich. I thank you for joining me. Be well.